another Epicflows production.
Epicflows. Always strike epic.
Excuse me! May I have your attention, please? We are taking over the plane.
I want to hijack man. Hey boy, sit down.
Hey, bin Laden, man.
Hey, Arab boy, you know me. You know which farm come from.
Hey, I want to go around there, sir. I was playing think you hijack. You mad? You think I find this?
Hey driver, who fly the plane?
John was star. Every morning me asleep now you don't care wake me up.
Hey baby, me just done cut some grass. I go come link you after church, alright?
Hey, stop. I don't want to get pregnant.
You nah get pregnant man babes. No worry about that. Just leave it to the man above. Here comes trouble. Yo mad, a jacket a try give rasta man. Me a left right now.
Inna the boss, Calling on all fluffy girls that lives in.
Yo, Bloodsucker, my favorite tune, you know. I want a fat girl, I want a roly-poly. Fat girl roly-roly, fat girl roly-roly, fat girl roly-roly.
Cool the blood, wait there. Who that side of Miss Kitty? I know she the on the video pan January that come. Under the tree with the weed wacker. Make me check my phone real quick. I see January. Make we go for Fluffy, yeah?
John was there. Me can't believe this. Right now, me I like the phone them with up on you tech. Me nah work. And bus fare raise again. It look like say gravity broke in a Jamaica. Cause everything a raise. John was there. How this a go up on Facebook? And when me a sit up, Pitney have to go start a bucket gas school. John was there.
Sir, me can use the bathroom, please.
You have your bucket of water?
If you know your bucket of water, you can't use the bathroom, you know. Cause no water no there.
John was there, where the country I come to. Me listen some Zip FM on the phone, you have to cool on my brain, yeah.
Nah, come down till Liquid play my song, but nah, come down.
Nah, just come down, no bother with it. No bother with it.
Play my song, look how long you.
Me I go back go sleep, yeah.
I don't know this is Stickman attack. I'm going to introduce a new thing. You see, if you want the chance to see yourself in the next episode, like the brother right so, yeah, him, just comment, just like the video, and comment what your favorite part. Alright? When Stickman talk, no man what?
Epicflows. Always strike epic.